So, hello guys, welcome back. Today we'll be reacting to my old video. And I miss my old voice, bro. It's so good. So, we'll be reacting from. I'm in my second account, so don't mind me. I'll be reacting from here till the end.
Help.
Okay. I wanna hear my voice.
Hello guys, me unboxing my Yoyo.
Don't mind my grammar.
Yay guys. Welcome back guys. So today I'm gonna go in the voice changer app right here. I downloaded.
Yep, my voice changed.
Like 2 minutes. So yeah.
Like what the heck happened to my freaking voice?
I have another. I just created a voice like pineapple belong on pizza. So guys, I'm trying double chart and practice. Hey, what are you doing, bro? And what are you doing here? You sassy baka? No, I'm not sus. You sus. My secret. I have a secret, guys. So yeah, guys, I'm gonna make my friend disappear. 3, 2, 1. Yeah. Dream secret backflip.
What the fuck? Why did I freaking post that? So yep, that was my first short video, and look at this, guys. Yep, it's true, bro. It's true. Always happen to me, though. Comment if it happens to you. My favorite game is FNF and Asphalt 8. I like cars, by the way. That's why I always post about cars. And I like Minecraft too, even with shaders. Sometimes I like to draw. Yeah.
Me.
Wala dito. Let's start from here, I guess. Okay, what the heck? Why does it have no sound? That was 1 year ago.
I got flame fruit. I just spin and I got a flame fruit and I ate it and it's so strong. The monkeys can't damage me. Yeah. Yeah, you can't damage me.
Okay, what the heck? That is so freaking cringe.
Level of funds in my hero mania. First,
It's Mania, you fucking idiot. Not yet. I'm sorry for saying that, bro. But I miss my freaking old boy.
And some money.
I'm gonna recommend you guys some cringe videos of mine. First,
You know what it's it.
second, that's the second one. What the fuck? Third, bro, that's a freaking cap. That's not a glitch. It's edited by me. So fucking shut up. I edited it on I think like InShot or something. And I am not good at playing FNF, that's true. See that? I was even spamming at pro. Bro, I was so bad back then. And still bad from now. Just look at my gameplay. And now look at my second gameplay, bro. I feel the fucking nostalgic. I will show you the free FNF that I used to use, but I swear I can't find it anywhere on Play Store anymore. I missed that, bro. It's music battle. Yep, it's here, and that's the VFNF that I used to play on. Why the frick did I use fucking English? Bro, I'm sorry for saying fucking cuss words. May God bless me. I hope. I live in Philippines, by the way, so I just speak English, so you can all of you guys can understand because some of you guys watch in America. So yeah, let's look at my cringy videos. Oh, I actually won. Not just kidding. My freaking grammar back then was so trash. And Jeff, I played Marvel Spider-Man on my Android. It was so laggy. This was my first viral video to ever made. It was 2 years ago. Yep. And this my classmate is I kinda like to have mods on my game always. This right there, it's modded. This, oh my frick, this and this too, and I don't mind that. I just like it when I'm drawing, so it's easy. So yeah. Bye bye. Bye bye bye.